tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. So let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. These characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8 in the range of 2, 0, and 2, 4, 6, and 8 space character. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. Alphabet characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 9 to 1, 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1. These alphabet characters are appended with space characters. So let's type code. Let's see code for this pattern. We have already executed code to print number triangle pattern. So save this file. We have already seen code for number triangle pattern. So run this file in the terminal. So in this code, we need to modify print statements to print alphabet triangle pattern. In this else condition, the print statement contains the first half of the triangle pattern, that is A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, and A. So change this code character starting from 64 plus K plus 1, and in if condition, the print statement contains the second half of the pattern, which is BCBA, CBA, BA, and A. So change this code character starting from 64 plus close the bracket, save this file and run this file in the terminal. Run py triangle.py. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.